Hello, welcome back to the channel. We've got another car in the garage. So here we have a 2016 Abarth 595. Hoping it was going to be a nice easy fix, but anyway, we'll come on to that shortly. But yeah, this is what we've got. It's a grey. Looks like it could be a nice motor when it's done. Picked it up, well I didn't pick it up from Copart delivered it last week. This is the first chance I've had really to get any footage due to other commitments, but yeah, there we go. Driver's side, no problems, looks alright, a little bit dirty. The back, again no problems there. I've ended up still not got rid of that, so garage is a little full, but yeah, there we go down there. So what is the damage with this? Well, first bit of damage at the front. There we go, front near side, it's a right good whack. So took out the front bumper, obviously, front passenger side DRL and that wing, and it's shoved back the front offside wheel there. I'm not had a proper look underneath to see what it is, but I imagine is it a control arm underneath? I don't know, but I'm imagining a straightforward fix up to there anyway. And that is the only damage really. Everything else is absolutely fine. It'll clean up well. Oh, the wheels as well. Wheels are a little bit damaged all over. Lots of chips and scoring. And that's in really bad condition, isn't it there? But no issues. Tyres are alright. Yeah, not a bad car, I don't think. But there was a few other issues, so I'll come on to them shortly. But yeah, aerial's missing, not supplied with the car. What do you think? An easy fix, perhaps? I don't know. But yeah, so what have we got for it? So the wing, I've picked a wing up already in colour and an Abarth wing, so it's got that bit of sticker at the bottom, which is good. 100 quid, so relatively cheap I suppose. I need a bumper. I'm not going to go through the same situation I went through with that, getting a brand new bumper, getting it sprayed, etc. I need to try and keep this as cheap as possible, so looking for a used bumper in colour, maybe a little bit of damage, but you know, if possible, perfect. Oh yeah, the intercooler as well. Intercooler's been smashed off. I saw that obviously on the pictures in the auction. It just popped off that pipe, which could pop on, but it's all crushed there, so probably best to get a new intercooler as well. There's no marks down there. That's not dinted. I don't think it looks right, but we'll tell when we get the wing on anyway whether that's moved at all, but I don't think it has. So that was the markings. So a runner drive, is that one key? I don't know, I haven't got a clue what that means. If anyone does, let me know. And that is a P. I ain't got a clue what that is either. Again, if anyone knows what that is, let me know. It'd be good to know what the markings are. Inside, right, so the inside, absolutely filthy. In fact, let's get a torch. This was a bit of a shocker actually, because on the pictures it didn't look too bad, but they were very clever the way they took them. They'd hidden a lot of rubbish in here and a lot of dirt under some mats. But yeah, look, full of mould in there. You see that? There's mould everywhere. There's mould down there. That door car's not too bad. Seats are dirty. They're not mouldy though, so they're not too bad. Again, in the back, the seats, but the headlining. Oh, I don't know if you'll see it from here or not. It doesn't look as bad at this angle, but I'll open the boot later, and I've been spraying it with vinegar for the last week. Every couple of days, coming in and spraying it with white vinegar, and it's just got rid of most of it. But I think it's going to need a right good valeting. I'll pull seats out, give them a good clean, and I can clean everything in here properly with a wet and dry vac. So the other issue is, so they said it was a run and drive, no problem. So I thought perfect. It does run, it doesn't drive. So I can start it up, and there's no power to the accelerator. So I'm going to have to plug my computer in on that multi-ECU scan and see if there's any faults. I did see in the auction on the clocks, it comes up with ESC, it's got the engine light on, and a few other faults. Now I thought that could be to do with the intercooler being blown off, and possibly not that. There's also actually, let's just start it. Let's just it'll start. Let's see. Oh, half a tank of fuel and all, so that's not bad, is it? So there we go. No throttle at all on there, but it started well enough. Just turn that off. Smoke the garage out. But yeah, no throttle pedal there at all. Alright, so we've plugged in my laptop, wait for it to fire up, and then see what codes we've got on here. Let's have a see. Okay, so we're on. Just connect. Con3 doesn't exist. 1 minute. Let's just change. That'll be in here, I think. Interfaces. There we go. Where's that gone? I don't know what's happened there. Not used it for a while on this, so anyway, try again. Oh, yeah, we're on. Fantastic. Let's have a look. Right. So, cleared all the codes. Fortunately, I realised that I wasn't videoing that. What a pain. So I had about four codes come up, or 4 codes I couldn't clear. There was something to do with throttle position sensor, something track 2. I've got a picture of it anyway, I'll put that up now. There was quite a few more codes before that. When I cleared it the first time, then 4 codes there were all that was left. So what I did, disconnected the battery, about 30 minutes, reconnected it again, cleared the code, and yeah, we've got no fault codes left. So the dash now, it doesn't say ESC unavailable and all that. I wonder if it'll start, and if I start it, will the codes come back, or will the throttle work? So I think we'll try that. Alright, okay, so I've unplugged the computer. Can you start it with the computer in? Will it cause any damage? Don't know. But anyway, I've unplugged it. So let's have a see. What have we got? ESC, is that gone? ESC's gone off. Engine management lights on. I think that's always on when you put the key in anyway. Nothing else is flat. Wow, everything's gone. I am surprised. Well, here we go. Let's start it. Okay. I'm whistling about. Don't rev it too much with that. Let's try it. If you're gonna rev. Moment of truth. Oh my god. took it off quick. Ha, that's brilliant, it worked. Oh, fantastic. I didn't want to give it too much because that intercooler pipe's off. I don't know if it's sucked any crap in there or anything from the time that it's been stored or even from the crash, so I'm going to clean that out. Well, that is a good do. That's a result. Very, very happy with that. Don't think the boot's... Is the boot open? Boot's still not open. I'll figure out how to open that. Have a look at that. But yeah, what a good do. One fault sorted already. I was worried it might be something like throttle bodies or whatever when I saw that error code come up. But yeah. But right, so great. So plan of action. I think, first of all, I'm going to be taking all the seats from inside, give everything a good vac and a hoover. Let's see if we can see them spores on the roof. It's not as bad as it was because I've given it a right good clean, but yeah, you can still see them there, can't you? Oh, it's a lot better than it was. They were just like that all over, like that white one there. So that's brilliant, that. So what a good do. So yeah, plan of action, give it all a good clean out. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I want to then, I think I'd prefer if it was facing the other way around, because every time I start it, it's filling the garage with smoke, fumes and what have you. It's just smoking me out. But I think I'll need to do this side here before I do that. Obviously that's pushed far back. So I need to get the wheel off. Oh, that's another thing. Oh, nothing came with the car at all. There was no packs, no information as you'd expect. But crucially, the locking wheel nut key wasn't there either. And I tried the wife's locking wheel nut key, and lo and behold, it worked. Couldn't believe it. So at least I know the right code that I need. So I'll get one of them ordered. So I don't have to keep using the wife's, otherwise it's going to go missing. So yeah, get the wheel off. So yeah, as I was saying, there's something obviously bent down there. Is it that? I don't know what it's called. Is it the control arm or something? Right at the bottom. Can you see it? I don't know. Can't see much, can you? So I need to get it jacked up, get the wheel off, have a look what's wrong there, replace whatever I need to replace, and then at least I can move it around and stuff. I'll get it out of the garage and bring it back in and do the repairs. That's it. Yeah, wheels are all scored all the way around. I'll see what I can do to sort them out. But yeah, that should be good. I'm looking forward to getting started on this. It should make a nice car. And what we're going to do with it, I'll see what I think of it first of all. I was going to drive the wife's Fiat 500 quite a bit. I've always liked it, but it's always been a bit lacking power. So I'll see what I think of this. I might keep it, I might sell it on, but we'll see what it's like when it's done. See what I think of it. Ooh, right, the engine's so dirty, grubby. I don't know if the cam belt's been done. It's 60,000 miles, so there's just no history on it. The guy is called, or the previous owner, I've found out of bits of stuff left in car, he was called Charles, and that's his private reg because it's a 16 reg this. So Charles, if you're watching or anyone knows Charles and you can give me some info, that'd be much appreciated. But anyway, battery looks fine. This, bizarrely, when I first got it, they were like that. So someone been in the ECU, I don't know. But anyway, that's all good. Lights brackets broke there. I was thinking you can get the tabs, but that bit's broke that clips in there like that, and I don't think you can get them, can you? So it might need a new light, but it's the old style, so shouldn't be too dear. Fog lights look good. Surround on that side. Yeah. Just a little dent out there. Probably someone's been pulling on it, haven't they, there? So that'll push in, no problem. And the back bumper is a little bit scored there, a little bit scratched. Now I can easily sort that out, I'm sure. But yeah, so I've noticed these back lights, I don't know if it's supposed to be, they're a lot duller than, say, that one there, but they've got a film on them. Now, is that film factory, or has previous owner, or our previous owner, sprayed some of that light tinting film on? If you know, let me know, because if it's not meant to be there, I'll try and get that off. It stopped working. And I've read or seen on other videos, Paul's done a few videos on it, I think, that the harness up there gets frayed, shorts together, and that causes problems with hill start assist, boot opening, etc. And I did notice when it was open, that harness was really tight. It was really tight, very taut, should I say. So I'll find out how you open this when you can't, and then I might just look in that harness loom. That could be the cause of all my problems. Right, so this is the bits we got in the boot. So yeah, the DRL. It's out the bumper anyways. It's that little light. These tabs are all broke. I'm sure they'll be here on this bit of the bumper. Do I try and fix them? Can I glue them on or staple them on, or shall I just get a new one? See how much they are first. So yeah, there's the bit of the bumper. No use anyway. That clearly off another car. Got a clue what it is. Bit of fog lights around, bits of trim, mudguard lining. That's about it. Tire blower thing, and some gel. That's it. I've got a feeling it was absolutely chock-a-block with rubbish. I filled a full bin liner full of crap, and I think with that being obviously not off this car, they probably just use these cars as a rubbish bin and throw all sorts of shite in them. But yeah, it was filthy. Let's see if we can get a better view, see what the headlining looks like now. The mould. It's a lot better, you know. If it's still there, you can make it out, can't you? But yeah, I reckon that'll vacuum up quite nicely, perhaps. And that, I think, I need to get into there and see what wires are broken. I think that is what's been causing my other issues, and then subsequently for this boot not to open. Yeah, so check out there. But that is tight. You can feel how tight the cables are in there when the boot's up. So bringing it down obviously takes the slack off. God gives it a bit of slack. But yeah, that needs sorting. So that's the new wing, or the replacement wing I've got from an Abarth. So hopefully, I've not checked, but hopefully that's in the same position, so it'll just match up. But yeah, that's perfect. Not a mark on it at all. So yeah, chuff with that. It's got the bumper clip on as well. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll do this as and when. It's not going to be a quick fix for sure, because I want to get the right coloured parts for it. Well, the bumper, I've got the wing, but yeah, I'm not going to be just getting what I can and having it sprayed to match. I want to get the parts in the right colour to cut down on costs, obviously. So yeah, hopefully we'll get another video up when I can. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you liked it and you want to see more of this sort of stuff, then yeah, press the subscribe button, and yeah, see you on the next one.